Now I know some people out there confused pork, fruits, but trust me, it is worth it. Foodie family, welcome back to How to Foodie Nation. Today with me is Wendy from Chow Nation, and she'll be teaching us all about pork chow. So let's get mixing. My dear,
yes,
it's pork chow time.
It's not just pork chow.
What is
it's
it?
Spicy pineapple pork chow.
Oh. Spicy pineapple pork chow, my friends. Okay?
Yes.
But it starts with pork?
It starts with pork. Right.
How is this pork cooked? Because I see it's done already.
Right. So there are two ways to do it. You could either do dry heat, which is roasting.
Right.
Or we could wet, which is fry.
Okay.
Right? So we deep fry the pork.
Okay.
The pork is cut small, seasoned overnight, marinated, and then you deep fry it.
Anything special in that seasoning?
Green seasoning, your shadow benny, garlic, Spanish thyme.
Right.
Right? Fine leaf thyme, ginger.
Okay. Ginger.
Right.
Why ginger is so important?
Because it's a good flavor for pork.
Oh, true.
Right. And we fry it.
Okay.
Right? It cools down. And then we're going to mix it together with the pine. So we add in all the same things we would normally add in
regular chow?
Yes.
Okay.
Right? So we're going to go.
Okay, no problem.
We're going to get some...
Oh gosh, I should know by now my seasoning blend.
Right.
So I'm coming in here with a heaping scoop.
A heaping scoop.
A little more?
And a heaping scoop for this one too. So
okay.
put two. Right?
So two over here?
Yes.
Okay. So one for the pine, one for the pork.
Right. Don't afraid.
That's enough for you thinking you know?
I think that a little bit more. Because it's a good bit of pork.
How are we looking there now?
Right.
Excellent.
We're going to grate a piece of ginger.
Okay.
Right.
All right, so I could just grate it
Just grate it in there.
But nothing falling out from here. All of it stuck to the bottom.
Right. Grate up.
We still going?
Yes.
And I just hear my bracelet jingling away. All this ginger at the bottom.
Right.
Kind of coming out there. Still some more?
Yeah.
How I feel now?
I feel so.
Yeah? Scrape up, scrape up, scrape up. There's some at the bottom as well.
Right. There we go.
Good to go?
Right.
Let me just make sure. Don't waste in here.
Right. We want to add in a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt. Done Wendy's way. Not my mini pinch way.
Yes.
So right, a whole heap.
Right. Right.
That's enough?
Yes.
All right, excellent.
Right. So we're going to add in the pork.
Right. Now I know some people out there confused pork, fruits, but trust me, it is worth it.
Lime.
Of course,
lime.
We have to get our citrus in there.
We have to get citrus in here.
And is lime preferred for this particular
recipe? Lime is preferred for this one.
Right.
Yeah, lime or lemon. But
okay.
Most times we use lime.
Got it. So again, just one.
A full one, yes.
Full lime. Excellent.
Right. There we go. Now for the various spices.
Yes,
right.
you're
so
the
we have
spice queen.
Pineapple pepper sauce.
All right. Flavoring again.
Right, because
a double punch of that pineapple.
It's a double punch of pineapple. Right. So you get the flavor of the pineapple pepper sauce, Chow Nation pineapple pepper sauce. And
this is the mild sauce.
The mild one. But then because this is called spicy, we will add some
we must come in with the hot.
We must come in with the hot.
If it's spicy pineapple pork chow, this is the spice.
Right. So this is actually hot pepper sauce, right?
One time you get that hot pepper smell.
Right. Notice the difference?
Yeah. Yeah. Not like before when we had a little dash. This is a whole...
This has meat in it, so you would want to add it to give it the spice. You want it to get the flavor, right?
So it's layers of flavor.
Layers of flavor.
Let me step to the side one time because you know this is your time.
And then it's time to stew.
Mix away.
Right? So the pineapple will release flavor, will release juice.
Right, we learned that the last time in our pineapple chow episode, which you could see in the link down below.
Yes, and the juices will soak in into the pork. right? So we aiming to get the juices to soak into the pork here.
Right, a little food science.
Yes.
All right, so if we're making this pork chow, now this is meat, this is fruit, how long can this last? And we're refrigerating, right?
Right, we're refrigerating. You put it in the fridge and let it cool, and then you mix, and you have to consume within 4 hours.
Okay.
You definitely have to consume within 4 hours because there is meat here.
Yes, yes. So
And
this
but
is
pork
best enjoy fresh.
fresh. Yeah, this is not soaking nothing about tomorrow.
This is eat now.
Eat
This
now.
is my kind of food.
This is your lime in. You mix up
Mix up and serve.
Mix up and
Mix
serve.
up and serve.
Right? So you could prep the pork before, and when
Right.
the fellas come and the girls and them come and the lime in, you mix it up quick.
You pull it out.
Yes.
You put it out. Got it.
Yes. Right?
My mouth is watering. I'm getting excited.
I feel it need a little.
A little what? A little what, babes? A little what?
You want it?
Wait,
Tell me the pepper. I find I ain't seen enough.
You know what? You want me to taste or you want to go with the spirits? Let the
Let me go with
spirits
the spirits. Let me
guide
go with the
you.
spirits. Let me go with the spirits.
Let the spirits guide you. Because I want to taste the
And
final
put a little
product.
bit more of the green.
The greens?
Yes.
Got it. Always happy to put some more of this.
Yeah.
That's enough? Wait, take
Yeah.
a little thing
Yeah,
again.
that's good.
All right, excellent. So basically, it kind of
Because
going
we're
with
trying
the
to get
flow.
the pineapples to release the juices and soak into the pork.
Right.
Right.
It's about balance in here, you know.
There we go.
Much better?
Better.
Excellent.
I think we're ready.
Well, if we are ready, let's serve it up and eat.
Yes.
All right. This is innovation and this is creativity. This is special stuff because forget your regular chow
Yeah.
with just some fruit. I love this collaboration.
Yeah.
Very unique. I applaud you.
Thank you. Pork and pineapple.
So I want to try this pork and pineapple
Yes.
goodness. May I?
Yep. Make sure and get a piece of each.
Okay, so I have to get pork, pine.
And pine.
All right,
Yes.
so star a piece of pork
Pork.
here. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
I turn it up the bowl. There we go. So we have pine, we have the pork,
Yes.
all the seasonings.
Tell me. Yeah.
That spice was the first thing to warm up my mouth. And I see exactly what you said about the pine really flavoring the meat because it is good. Packs a punch in flavor, my friend. Excellent. I think we need to share this with our pork loving friends.
All the porkies.
All the porkies out there, this one is for you. Guys, be sure to share this video with all your friends who love a good pork. Because what's better than pork and pineapple in a chow?
In a chow.
Thank you again.
Welcome.
Every time you come, you blow my mind. It's just flavor. We love Chow Nation. Foodie Nation loves Chow Nation.
Thank you. We
It's
love
a good
Foodie
collaboration.
Nation. Yes.
So guys, be sure of course to check out our good pals at Chow Nation TT on Instagram. And of course, like, subscribe. We'll see you again very soon. We're gonna wrap up this spicy pineapple pork chow. Bye-bye.
Right.